Hey friends, Matthew Barbie here with Perfect Company. I want to show you a great feature in Perfect Blend. Now the great thing about all the Perfect apps is that any container will work, and Blend is no exception. So whether you have a conventional blender or a personal blender, Perfect Blend has got you covered. Let's make this avocado pear smoothie. Hit Blend. So it defaults to our conventional blender. So we throw this right on the scale, and it calibrates that. And we can go up the build screen. So we have water first, lemon juice, spinach, all the way up through ice being the last ingredient. Liquid ingredients come first. But let's say I want to use my personal blender. I just hit my blender button at the bottom. There's your conventional blender and the personal one. I select the personal blender. That automatically flips the build stack. So now when I set my personal blender on the scale, also automatically calibrates. Now ice is first, going all up, and the liquid ingredients are last. This is so when you put the top on and flip it over to blend it, you have the correct build stack for maximum blendability. Now let's say you want to default to whatever blender you have, like maybe you want the personal blender to be your default one. So you go to back, come back to our navigation bar at the bottom, hit your profile, then come up here, there's a little settings button, hit that, and here you see select blender. So you have a conventional blender, there's a personal blender, or a combo. So no matter what style or configuration of blender you might have, Perfect Blend is the right app for you. As always, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions or comments, let us know at makeitperfectly.com. And as always, have a perfect day.